Today we will discuss about the structure and balancing of spectrometer. Spectrometer is an apparatus used for recording and measuring of spectra. This is a spectrometer which consists of a collimator and a telescope. The collimator is fixed, but the telescope is movable. It can rotate from 0 to full 360 degree. This is the prism table where we put the prism. Okay. Now let's talk about the collimator. Collimator consists of a fine adjustment slit at the end. This screw is used to adjust the narrowness of the spectrum. These two screws are used to adjust the vernier table and the telescope. If we loosen this screw, it will let the vernier table move freely, and if we tighten this screw, the vernier table won't move at all. Now come to this screw. If we lose this screw, the telescope will move freely, and after tightening this screw, the telescope won't move at all. Now for the fine adjustment, we require these two screws. This screw is known as the fine adjustment screw for the telescope, and this screw is for the fine adjustment of the vernier table. A spectrometer consists of two vernier scales. Any one of them is called V1 and the other one is called V2. While taking readings at any point, we have to take reading from both the vernier scales. To check whether the reading is correct or not, we have to subtract V1 from V2, and the difference will always come 180 degree, because we can see that both the scales are making 180 degree between them. The full scale inside it is of 360 degree. The prism table needs to be labeled. To label it properly, we use spirit lamp. We put it here. The spirit level consists of a small bubble. We have to let the bubble come at the middle. Then we will get to know that the prism table is balanced. So to balance the prism table, we have to use these three screws fixed below this prism table, or we can use these two screws to label the whole spectrometer. In these two ways, we can label the prism table. We can also adjust the height of the prism table using this screw. We can loose it and adjust the height, then tighten it. It won't move.
Now we find the least value of spectrometer. The main scale is now totally 360 degree scale, and the vernier scale is attached to it. There are two vernier scale which is opposite of each other, V1 and V2. Second one means V2 is the opposite of V1. V1 and V2 are equal. So if we find V1, then V2 will same. Now we check how to measure the least count of spectrometer. In spectrometer, main scale is in degree and the vernier scale is in minutes. Now first we find what is the value of one's main scale division. If we go 80 to 90 degree, then we will cross 20 division because each have 10 divisions. Here 0 to 30, it means there are 29 division which covers the main scale. This is the least count. This is the divisions of vernier scale and main scale. Now come 20 main scale division equals to 10 degree because each have 10 divisions. So one main scale division equals to half degree, which is 30 minutes. Here 29 divisions of main scale coincide with 30 vernier divisions. So 30 vernier scale division equals to 29 main scale division, and 1 vernier scale division equals to 29 by 30 main scale division. It means 29 small divisions coincides the main scale within 29/30. So now we take the formula of least count, which is 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. And we know the 1 vernier scale division equals to 29/30 main scale division. So the least count is 1/30 main scale division, and we know that the vernier scale is in minutes, so we multiply it by 30 minutes, and there is the result of least count, which is 1 minute is equal to 1/60 degree. Now we check the readings of main scale. We should now calculate the value of main scale as far as the vernier is 0. It means that before 80, what will be the readings of main scale? As because we know that total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading into least count. So we take a point 70 and it comes as the vernier scale into in 19 divisions. As far as all we know, there are 20 divisions, each have 10. So if we calculate the 0 of vernier, there are 19, and we know that the 1 main scale division equals to half degree. So we multiply 19 division into half degree. So that is the reading of main scale. Now we check the vernier scale. For the vernier scale, we will see which one is coincide the main scale best. So this is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The point coincide the main scale best. So the vernier scale reading is 12, and into least count, which we find 1 minute. So total reading equals to 70 degree plus 9.5 degree plus 12 minute. Now we turn the 12 minute in degree. So total reading is equal to 70 degree plus 9.5 degree plus 12 into 1/60. As we know, 1 minute equals to 60 degree. So we divide 12 divided by 60. So total reading is equal to 79.5 degree plus 0.2, which is 79.7 degree. If the vernier scale is in 80, so the main scale will be in 80, and the vernier one will be 1 division, so the vernier number will be 80 plus 1 into half degree, since 1 small division is equal to half degree. This is all about spectrometer.